Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Woodcraft CZ, aka Paul, and today we're taking a look at this dust extraction pipe kit. It's a practical solution for DIY spaces and small workshops if efficiency and tidy dust collection is key. So let's take a look inside the box and see what comes with the kit. You get several sections of transparent rigid pipe, a set of elbow and T-connectors, blast gates, wall brackets, pipe clamps, and all the hardware needed to build your own fixed dust collection system. The rigid pipes are the backbone of the system, providing a smooth, solid path for airflow. The elbow and T-connectors let you change direction and branch off to multiple machines. Blast gates are included for isolating suction to specific tools. This improves efficiency and keeps your extractor from working harder than it needs to. The wall brackets and clamps help you mount your pipes to your walls or ceiling securely. This way, it keeps everything off the floor and out of the way. I've decided to run this system to my jointer and to my bandsaw for now, with the possibility of running it to a third machine later. Because this is a rigid pipe system, you want to think ahead about the best layout. You want to minimize sharp turns and long runs to keep airflow strong. Installation is straightforward. The pipes are lightweight and easy to cut to length. The connections fit snugly, making the job very easy. I used the included brackets to mount the piping along my walls, as you can see. This not only keeps things tidy, it also improves airflow by eliminating sag in the pipe that is often found in flexible hose. With the system now fully installed, I'm going to power up the Laguna P-Flux 3 dust collecting system and show you how it performs. One thing I really appreciate about this kit is the transparent pipe. It's very useful if you suck up something you didn't want to or you suspect a clog. You can locate it and dismantle it without having to dismantle the entire system. It's easy as this. So what's my take? This setup is a smart choice for any small workshops or hobbyist setups. Unlike flexible hose, a rigid pipe system allows for smoother airflow. There's less internal friction, fewer ridges, and no flattening or collapsing over time. That means better suction and less chance of clogging. Because this kit is designed as a starter setup, it's also expandable. So even if you're getting started now, you're not locked in. You can build on it as your need grows and adapt it to your specification. So if you're looking for a compact, expandable, and efficient way to manage your dust in the workshop, this kit is definitely worth a closer look. So guys, that brings me to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions you might have in the comments below. Until next time, guys, happy woodworking and take it easy.